What's up, guys? Ready to jump on the bagger and take another trip today. We're meeting up with my buddies Joseph and John today, and John hasn't been to the fish camp up in Cocoa, Florida here for a while, so he wants to do that run again. I got no problem. It's a great ride. So yeah, we're gonna jump on, head on up that way. The only problem is today, I'm not gonna be able to moto vlog. My sunglasses, unfortunately, are in the shop, getting some lenses worked on. When I moto vlog, I use this helmet right here, and I don't run a screen on it. I hate the screens. So, being it's Florida and so bright, I'm gonna run the Scorpion because it has the, the pull down sunscreen on it. So I'll just probably throw some music behind the ride and have Mrs. Bagger do some filming when we get to lunch and whatnot. So yeah, ride along. Well, guys, we're at the first stop here, and I know we're Barkin baggers, supposed to be riding with baggers, but I didn't sign up for these kind. Nah, but these bikes move, they're cool. But yeah, cool little stop, have a couple beers, and then we'll move on and hit the Lone Cabbage Fish Camp. Again, don't have my moto vlog helmet, so just a little bit of music behind it for you, and then we'll catch you at lunch.
So how long, what's the name of the trail and how long is it?
It's a Florida trail and it's about 1,100 miles. It's got a couple different routes you can choose around which way you go around Okeechobee. You can go east or west. You can choose kind of which way you go around Orlando. I'm on the eastern route around Orlando. It goes all the way up just south of the border of Georgia and then across the panhandle and ends either at...
You just truck around hiking all the time?
Just I've never done anything quite like this before. I worked in the White Mountains of New Hampshire for the last 8 months, leading backpacking trips up on the Appalachian Trail. Right. But never just like hiked for,
So you
3
started
months.
where?
Down in Big Cypress in the Everglades.
Okay.
It started on the 31st.
Like final destination?
Alabama.
They lost the championship. You don't have to go there now.
You spoiled it. You spoiled it.
Best place to ride motorcycles around.
Where?
South Carolina,
Oh,
Georgia.
yeah, beer.
Oh God, yes.
It's the best beer
Amazing.
I've had.
I bet.
The best beer I've had ever. Yeah.
Now is that a war singer?
No, this is a Henninger. It's
okay.
from North German.
Okay.
You damn Germans, they know their beer.
Yeah, they
Doing
do.
it for a while.
He does it for breakfast. Before he gets out of bed, he has a beer. I can't go right there. He takes a beer before he gets out of bed. And orange juice and champagne.
Got all the vitamins in there
That's
you
what the
need.
name does.
Yeah.
I do not. I wish.
You ever watch that now? How
carry
beer
just enough.
saved the world or not? Still not?
I don't
saved
think.
the
Was
world?
you talking about that last time?
I always tell everybody how beer saved the world. It's a documentary.
I think
You
I've
never
seen
watched
that on
that?
YouTube, man, but I didn't watch it.
It was on Discovery Channel.
Yeah.
So basically, Petra's uncle He lived the last 2 years. He drank only beer. Nothing. He didn't eat anymore.
Guys,
2 years, can you imagine? It's just
Yeah, I can imagine.
Sounds like heaven.
sounds so really nice.
Yeah, sounds like you died and went to heaven.
I imagine that every day.
No, but it's really a cool documentary. It starts way in Egypt where they built the pyramids. Well, they have been
First
paid
microbrewery in the pyramid.
after this beer. Came after the beer.
Beer saves everything.
That's what I'm saying. How
Beer, 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 beer.
So, and also when they build the pyramids, you know, there's like desert, so they don't have not veggies and fruits and whatever. So the beer had so much vitamins, so they could work really.
Right. Yeah, it does have, you know, B vitamins and other things, right?
A lot of
that-
vitamins.
I mean, like churn up the mud, and between that and, I mean, it's like muck and.
Oh, yeah,
And sea cow smegma from under.
There's the name of a punk band.
Sea cow from under?
Sea cow schmegma.
Oh, smegma, there you go.
Everybody got quiet.
From under.
That's because we're all leaving the table.
I thought that was a special today.
Special sauce.
Yeah.
Roll my wings and seek out.
Yes, I'd like the sea cow schmegma, please.
You wanted a shooter with a nice.
All right, okay, how long can this go? Because you guys, I want to know how many
I think
minutes
we're
this is
done.
going to go.
tires are so fucking expensive.
Look at this, I covered the graffiti up.
Oh, what the heck?
What say Harley suck?
I think it
What
I
they
think it
did-
looks worse than I think it looks worse than what it did.
Paint the whole thing.
What size
Yeah.
is that? Cylinders?
750.
This is 750. Okay. This was the Virago was the same way, and this is what I'm saying. If you sit here in the desert and it's 120 degrees, your balls are on fire. I mean, you speed as fast as you can.
What was the Virago you had?
It was the only thing I
1200?
had to complain
With
about.
the
Virago.
Virago, 750.
It was a 752. Okay,
Oh my God.
gotcha.
But his is water cooled, so it doesn't get hot.
Oh, okay. Well, mine wasn't.
Radiator.
Oh, it's great. It's great in the winter.
Still beeping
but
at
in
us.
the summer, you're sitting at a hot stoplight. You're already fucking
Very
hot,
nice.
and the fan comes on, and you get this hot air blowing on your thighs. It sucks.
Do you have any problems with your Velcro, the sticky side
yeah.
coming off?
All the time.
Okay.
The heat.
Yeah.
The heat. And I did my Harley ones. Mine was short,
Okay.
like quarter-inch all the way around.
Oh, shit.
So they're constantly pulling up.
Gotcha.
See, you could actually cook something in there while you ride.
Yeah, I got burgers and eggs going right now.
Did you? Medium rare.
Schnot, what do they call them? Schnotzingers or whatever you guys eat? What are
Schnitzels?
those things? Schnitzels.
Schnitzels.
Wiener schnitzels.
I can't, Joseph. I can't teach him anything. He has no idea what spratzel or schnitzel is.
Wiener schnitzel.
Very good.
That bug's been there for 2 days. I think he's dead.
Yeah, Ooh, what? No, he's not dead.
Three up.
They don't look dead.
Oh,
Will be. You might want to get on that air cleaner there, Francis.
Yeah, it's ready for another.
excuse me.
Ready for another flush.
No, we're good.
That should be so
It's got a
good.
lot of, got a lot of surface area.
You do like you do with your lawnmower. You take a screwdriver, poke 5 holes in it,
holes
put
in
it
it?
back on.
Oh, I didn't know they sold black ones nowadays.
They don't.
It matches perfect. I think this is why he does it.
Well, it starts out all pink and clean looking, you know. Like,
Doesn't match.
yeah, that,
Yeah,
that
stupid.
oily stuff. It's a bitch changing it over.
The bitch keeping it dirty.
Well,
Plus, it messes up the sink in my garage when I clean it.
Right.
God forbid.
Dishwasher?
And no.
You don't have one.
Oh,
No,
hell no.
I use the dishwasher for my black powder guns. As long as you turn up the temperature, it works great.
Oh, he records it.
Well, I might turn around and head back that way.
What?
You go back
All right,
this way?
Francis.
Yeah.
Take care, man. Good to see you again.
What?
Glad you got to see me.
Yeah, it was wonderful.
meeting you.
Nice meeting
That was a
you.
pleasure.
I know
It was
you're-
very
you're
fun.
cuter than the rest of these guys.
Thank
They would
you.
look cute by the
I hope so.
I forgot mine. Mine are assless.
I got a pair of those too.
Oh, Jesus.
I pulled them out. The weather was so cold the last couple of days. I was
put 'em back
thinking,
on?
Yep, maybe I'll ride some chaps today. But you get a draft.
Yeah, you do.
You're supposed to wear
Oh,
pants.
yeah. You are supposed to.
That's what they say. I don't know. See you later, friend. Be
Bye,
careful.
Francis. Be safe. Nice meeting you.
right, guys, that's going to do it for this ride. Appreciate you coming along. Hope you had a good time. We sure did. Got to get up there at fish camp again. Met Clay the hiker, which was unique. So he had a pretty cool story. I had a good time with Joseph and John, as always. So glad you got to meet them. Stick with us. Subscribe if you want to. Hit that notification bell. And we'll catch you on the next ride. See ya!